And there's the clips. So actually it's loaded. You can see the gap here. If I take these off, this gap closes, which it's supposed to. It's under spring pressure. You take the clips out and it just collapses. So we're going to go ahead and pull the set screws all back. I had to assemble it this way, put the set screws in to hold everything in the middle.
So I will go order so I can see my material. And then to clean it up, it is a 60 and 120. Just to get that speed and make it look.
Just going to leave it. When I put this on here, we'll be good to go.